This is our Roll-In saw HS1418. One standard feature on it that is included on all of our horizontal saws are all the controls are up front. Unlike some similar saws in this class where all the controls are in the back and you have to reach over your material, open and close it on this end while trying to hold the head up. The nice thing about this saw is that all the controls are up here in the front. So what you can do is you can set your feed rate by adjusting this knob here to either completely closed to all the way open, finding the right spot in between for the material that you're cutting. And then you now don't have to worry about this feed control if you're cutting the same material over and over again. You have all your controls right here in the front, so when you're ready to cut, just flip this into the feed position and the saw head will come down. Once the saw head goes completely through the cut, the saw will shut off and you can raise it again above the material. If you raise it too high above the material, what you can do is completely open the hydraulic valve by hitting the down, so you don't have to wait for this feed rate to control all the way down. You can flip it to the down position, get it closer to your material, and then switch it over to the feed control. What's nice about having this all right here in the front and not solely relying on this valve is that you're going to extend your blade life longer and you're going to get more true, accurate square cuts this way. Instead of turning this knob to where you think is right and ultimately sending the head in too fast, you can set this, make sure that it's right, and only adjust using this. To adjust the speed is easy. Turn the knob, lower the lever on the motor, adjust the belt, retension, and then close it back up. The saw comes standard with a 24 by 30 inch precision ground table. It has a quick clamp for easy and firm clamping. You can add additional clamps to it for additional support on all of your work. The saw is able to miter 60 degrees in either direction, so giving you the versatility to make 60-degree cuts any which way you need your material to be fed in. The HS1418 comes standard with a flood coolant system. The HW1212, the slightly smaller version of the saw than this, comes either with a flood coolant system, a dry cut saw, or a mist fluid system.